Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I just want you to know that being in isolation can be a very boring state of affairs if you have nothing creative to do. That's why today I want to share how to make my Rose Petal soaps. These are fantastic. Look at these, so cute and so easy to make. Now I can't have visitors. In fact, I hope by the time you get to see this that we are allowed to have visitors again, but I thought that, you know, if you wanted to do something nice for in your powder room, or you're having a wedding and you wanted something really sweet with a personal touch, these would be just beautiful. Now, to make these, you need some glycerine pour and melt soap. It comes in a block like this, and all you pretty much have to do is cut it up into small little bite-sized pieces like this, and to put them into a double boiler. I've just used a Pyrex dish, and I've got a little stirring stick in there just to try and get all those little bits that are sticking to the side gone and out of there. So while that's melting, it takes 10 to 15 minutes on a gentle boil. Don't leave the pan until it is all melted, and then turn it off before you start. So, and pretty much I've just got some water into the base of my little pan like a bain-marie. Now you get your rose, any kind of a rose, and then it's just a matter of taking the petals to pieces, just pulling those off. Sometimes they glue them, and if they have glued them, then it's a little bit of a nuisance, but just pull those to pieces like so until you've got the little petals, and then just getting sharp scissors, just go through and cut all the petals away from the main body of the rose. Get these all done before you start, and as I said, sometimes they glue them and you don't want that glue, so just if there is any glue there, just give that a pick off before you start, like so. Okay, there's my petals. I might just do a couple of these too while I'm on the go, cutting those off just like so. And you do need to leave a little, oh, there's a little bit of glue. That's a bit much, that glue for me, so I'm just going to discard that now. You also need a flat tray with a piece of parchment paper or some baking paper on top of that. Once you've got, whoops, your roses and your tray ready to go, and your soap is all melted, it will get little wee bits, like thick bits onto it, but don't worry about those because they'll just melt down. Okay, when that's all nice and warm and melted, it's just a matter of, it's a bit fiddly this, just dipping that in and out of there several times, and then bringing your soap laden petal and placing it onto the parchment paper. I'll just do one more of those. In fact, what I might do is just dig that down into there. Oh, that's a good idea, Astar. And very gently bringing that up, taking all the excess off, and then just bringing them over. And as I said, it is a little bit mucky, but this will do. And I might just do one more. In fact, I do like the idea of just dunking them in. And then just bringing that up, giving it a shake, and then just placing it there on your parchment paper until that sets. And that'll take probably half an hour to an hour, depending on how warm it is in your environment. So leave these, and I'll be back to show you how to take them off and to present them. See you in a minute. Welcome back. My little rose petals have been resting here for about half an hour, and it's just a matter of now just gently just lifting those off. And if you've got excess soap on the petal, you can just break that off or cut that off if you want to, but look, I don't worry about things like that. It can go into there. That can go into there, and look at those looking so beautiful. Put the wee lid on, and there they are ready to go. Now I want to show you how they work because they're pretty cool. I love them. So, getting your water, dipping that into there, and then you just gently rub them between your hands, and all the soap comes off onto your hands, and there you have some beautiful little soap rose petals that will look lovely in your powder room. I hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing that with you, and I know that my bathroom is going to have lovely handy soaps that I will enjoy using. See you again another day.